welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore backyard landscaping ideas that can completely transform your outdoor space. Whether you're working with a small yard or a spacious one, these creative and practical tips will help you turn it into your personal haven. The first thing to consider is how you use your space. Think of your backyard as an extension of your home, creating different areas for dining, relaxing, and gardening helps keep everything organized and visually appealing. You can define these zones using pathways, plants, or changes in flooring. A patio is a great place to start. Installing a simple stone or wooden patio creates a perfect foundation for outdoor furniture. It becomes your the spot for morning coffee or evening gatherings. Even a small paved corner with a couple of chairs can make a big difference. If you love plants, raised garden beds offer both beauty and function. They're easy to manage and can bring structure to your garden. Use wood, brick, or metal containers for a neat, modern look. Mix flowers, herbs, and vegetables for a vibrant, useful space. Lighting can completely change how your backyard feels at night. Use string lights, lanterns, or solar-powered path lights to create a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. Lighting also adds safety and highlights your favorite features. For a touch of peace and serenity, consider adding a water feature. A small fountain or pond brings a calming sound and attracts birds and butterflies. Even a dewy bubbling pot can add that soothing element to your space. Privacy is key in any backyard. If you have close neighbors, use tall plants, trellises with climbing vines, or wooden panels to create a sense of seclusion. Not only do they shield your space, but they also add texture and greenery. Outdoor furniture doesn't have to be expensive. Repurpose old chairs, use weather-resistant cushions, and throw in some colorful rugs to make the area feel cozy. Add a few potted plants around your seating area to tie everything together. If you love entertaining, an outdoor kitchen or grill area is worth investing in. A simple built-in grill or a movable cart with a prep table can make cooking outside easy and fun. Add a small dining table nearby and you're ready for summer nights. Don't forget your lawn. Whether you choose grass, artificial turf, or gravel, keep it clean and defined. Curved edges and borders using stones or bricks give it a polished look. Even small patches of green can make the space feel fresh and lively. Add personality with garden art. Sculptures, stepping stones, painted pots, or wind chimes can reflect your style and create visual interest. Just a few decorative pieces can turn a plain yard into something special. A fire pit can become the ultimate gathering spot, whether it's built-in or portable. Sitting around a fire with family and friends makes for unforgettable memories. Surround it with benches or large stones for a rustic feel. If you're into sustainable living, start a compost corner or install a rain barrel. These eco-friendly additions not only help the planet, but also support your garden. Plus, they're great conversation starters when guests visit. Think vertically, especially in smaller yards. Use walls or fences to hang planters or grow vertical gardens. This technique saves space and adds layers to your backyard, making it feel more lush and dynamic. And finally, make sure your landscaping reflects you. Whether you prefer wildflowers or manicured hedges, soft lights or bold sculptures, your backyard should feel like your personal retreat. Enhancing the outdoor space with thoughtful garden decoration can significantly elevate the overall look and feel of a house. From vibrant flower beds to charming pathway lighting, every element contributes to creating a welcoming and visually captivating outdoor environment. Incorporating features such as cozy seating areas and decorative planters adds personality and charm to the landscape. Let's talk about something important. You don't need to spend much to have a beautiful home. It's all about finding pieces that resonate with you and arranging them in a way that feels authentic and welcoming. Whether you're thrifting for unique finds, DIYing your own decor, or repurposing items you already own, there are endless possibilities for creating a stylish and personalized space on a budget. So don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. With a little imagination and resourcefulness, you can transform any space into a place that feels like home. Thanks for watching.